Hi friends, this video shows how to lock kids profile. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to accounts and profiles, go down. Let me select this kids profile kid 1. I am going to lock this profile. So here I need to enter Google pin. See here you can see kids lock. So I am going to lock this profile. Let me enable this option, kids lock. Done. Now I have locked kids profile. Let me test it. Go to home screen, then go to switch accounts. You can select it from the top left corner. Then let me switch to kids profile kid 1. Done. So now I am in inside this profile. Now let's assume kid is trying to go to parent profile. He can go to parent profile like this. He can select switch account from top left corner. Then see, it's asking the pin. So he has to enter the pin. Then only he can switch to the parent profile. Okay, so this way we can lock kids profile. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.